doing the same thing as yesterday, which is putting up the drywall, or I also have the option of going over to the other house and doing demo. I'm gonna try to do demo because drywall's not really fun for me, but I'm fine with it. Everything's pretty like dewy this morning. Restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. Surely my cup overflows. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. So, it's just, for me, it's easy to get really anxious about everything, worry about everything, but, and just consume my life with that. So, but this says, you know, it's all good, everything's good, no problems. You know, with God, everything's going to be okay. So, that's what I'm giving to you today. Just chill out, you know. This is gotcha. Well done.
What are you filming?
Hey man.
Hey man.
Yeah. Robert, you're not going with us.
Please?
No.
I'll do anything.
No, you won't. No.
Please?
No.
Please?
You're going to do drywall because you hate it.
Okay. I'm going to do drywall because I hate it.
So we did all this. This back here, all the way around, over here, back over here. That should be good.
You just can't push it in all the way now. Some of these. Continue on Gladys Avenue. Straight.
Alright. This seems to be a common design for apartments around here, but I can't figure out. They're not very pretty.
Schott, the chips are hitting me. Oh. They don't feel good. Hey, Robert, don't tell your dad I work this good. He might put me to work. Figured it out? Yes, sir. Poke him in the jugular. He'll go down.
Poke him?
Just poke him real hard with your finger. In the jugular. He'll go down.
It's like they're eating each other.
Did that work? Did that work?
Poke him in the jugular.
Did I get you?
He went like this.
I'm not I just got it all on video.
Right into the vampire.
Thank you for this day. We thank you for the work that we were able to do here and at other places today. We thank you. We ask you to bless Ms. Lack as she recovers from this weather disaster. God, we ask you to look down on her and bless her and comfort her and help her to find you in this ordeal. God, thanks for keeping us safe. Thanks for watching over us, giving us every good, perfect gift. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Thank y'all again.
we record? I'm not sure what we going to. Are we recording now? Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. So this is the breakdown. What's going on? We're gonna go eat some nice food. I think it's gumbo or something. Just good stuff, high quality stuff. And then we're gonna do Devo. No, we did the Devo this morning. I'm gonna go to sleep afterwards probably because I'm tired and it is 6:25. So fun stuff going on. Just great.
I'm going to be reading from James 2 to start off. What good is it, my brothers, if a man claims to have faith but has no deeds? Can such faith save him? Suppose a brother or sister is without clothes and daily food. If one of you says to him, "Go, I wish you well, keep warm and well fed," but does nothing about his physical needs, what good is it? In the same way, faith by itself, if it is not accompanied by action, is dead. But someone will say, "You have faith, I have deeds." Show me your faith without deeds, and I will show you my faith by what I do. You believe that there is one God. Good. Even the demons believe that and shudder. You foolish man, do you want evidence that faith without deeds is useless? Was not our ancestor Abraham considered righteous for what he did when he offered his son Isaac on the altar? You see that his faith and his actions were working together, and his faith was made complete by what he did. And it's pretty easy to see the comparison to what we're doing here. We are completing our faith by our works and our deeds as God's intention for us. Amen.
What's that? Godly sorrow
this is
leads
the
to
plantation. That's not a plantation over here.
That used to be?
Yep.
Nice. That's ridiculous.
See that? That used to be. But they renamed it in this state because when you say plantation, people know it means liberty. Here's the old plantation home.
Wasted like a Mexican at Party House 6. Oh. Yeah. Wow.
Big till just now. There were like tons of wasp nests right there. And there was a cockroach. The cockroach is scary.
Fun stuff.
That cockroach is big. That was like the size of my pinky, man. It was like the size of my thumb. Same difference. No.
Your thumb's small. Oh, look at these baby thumbs.
Maybe I got a big pinky. Maybe you got a fat pinky, man.
What are we doing over here?
We're trying to fix something. It's not working.
Oh. So we're doing installation in this wonderful trailer house, and so we've got above the windows and doors mostly done, and we did from here all the way over there.
Welcome to MTV Cribs.
Yeah, MTV Cribs, totally.
And Braden's always like this.
Slurpee break. Legit tires for sure. Oh, bad. Interesting. Interesting. I see.
Okay. Who wants it?
Right here.
If you can catch it, you can have it. Here.
I'm ready. Over the shoulder catch.
Take you one.
Boom.
Take you one.
Okay.
Who else
This is
wants
my
one?
grilled cheese right here.
Anybody else?
On
There you
a
go.
Thank you.
styrofoam plate. That's Esther's grilled cheese, and that's Esther. Do you like my life? What? This is my life story. Yeah, it is. It's on. I'll turn it off now.
Go full power.
Robert, there is a 0% chance that will stay on there.
Go full power or no ball.
It's gonna come off.
He said bring your own sleeping bag.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
How is this, Evan?
I like it.
Okay, good.
Hey, hi.